Welcome to my Bitcoin investing profit system. My Bitcoin investing profit system does not require any previous market experience. It's not dependent on owning any Bitcoins. It's not dependent on the constantly changing price of Bitcoin, nor is it dependent on knowing any complex technical trading indicators. You don't have to invest in any expensive computer software. You don't have to sign up for any type of subscription service, and it's not dependent on any news events. What's so special about Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency. It's a new and unique vehicle, unlike anything the world has ever seen before. It's called a cryptocurrency because it uses cryptography to control the creation and the transfer of money. Despite the name, there's no physical coin to speak of. Bitcoin is a new, completely electronic form of money. Now, there's many arguments whether it will succeed or fail, and that's not the purpose of this video. Our concern is strictly with the profit opportunities provided by this new payment phenomenon. And the opportunity is based around arbitrage. Bitcoin arbitrage is the practice of taking advantage of price differences between markets. These price differences emerge because certain exchanges are more liquid than others. Bigger exchanges with more trading will drive the price of the rest of the market, and the smaller exchanges follow the price of the larger ones, however, with a small lag time. And it's this small lag time that makes arbitrage possible. And if you can see here in this chart, the price variations between 5 exchanges are quite huge. And buying on one and selling on the other is where this opportunity exists, and this is perfectly legal. And my daily average profits are an average of 1%. And the benefits of this is that you compound these earnings. Now let's consider the ramifications of compound earning growth that equates to a minimum average of 1.3% per business day. And that translates into a 24% growth per month. So if you start with $1,000 and you are earning a minimum of 24% a month, and you reinvested all those earnings at the beginning of the next month, the following table shows what happens with that original $1,000. At the end of 1 year, you would have over $10,000. At the end of 2 years, you would have $140,000. At the end of 3 years, over $1 million. And in your month 40 would be over $4 million. Those are the benefits of compounded earnings. Now, you don't have to start with $1,000. You can start with as little as $20 or $100. But I just wanted to share with you, if you had $1,000 to start with, that's some huge earnings. And even if you don't have any Bitcoins whatsoever, you can start getting free Bitcoins because there are many sources on the internet that will pay you in Bitcoin to complete an action, fill out a form, take a survey, solve a CAPTCHA. So I'm going to give you my free report on how to get some free Bitcoin so you can get started with this compounded earning investment strategy. So I look forward to seeing you on the side. Please fill in your name and email address to get going now.